Hi, and welcome to the BFIT Guide to the Library Databases. In this video, you'll learn how to access the databases, how to search the databases, and how to use the tools within the databases to cite the information that you find. So why should we use the databases? When writing scholarly papers, we can't just make up the information we want and call it a day. We have to use credible information. When something is credible, that means it's trustworthy, and we can take the information contained within it as true. When we use credible sources in our writing, it makes our own work more credible, and it allows us to build upon what other people in the field have been saying about a particular topic. Finding credible information about a particular topic can be tricky, but one way we know we can find credible information is by using the library databases. We know that most of the information contained within the library databases is going to be credible, and we can use that information to make our papers better. If you want to get information from the databases, you must first know how to access them. Only BFIT students can access the databases, so you will need to go through the link on your student portal or the BFIT website. Start at the BFIT homepage. Click on Academics in the center of the page. When the drop-down menu opens, select Library by clicking on it. This is the library homepage. If you look to the left, the first link under the library menu is Search for Database Articles. Click on this link and it will bring you to the list of databases the library offers. The library has many different databases, but today we're going to learn about one of our general databases, EBSCO OmniFile. To access this database, all you have to do is click on the link. Because only BFIT students are able to use our databases, when you access them from off campus, you'll need to log in with the number on the back of your student ID. This number should be 14 digits long and start with a 2. If you have a problem logging in, please see a librarian for assistance. Once you enter your ID, you will be taken to the database search screen. This is the database search screen. We will use this search box to find articles on whatever topic we are researching. Though it may look simple to use, the fact is that searching a database is a bit complicated because of the way that it searches. In order to get the information you want, you need to use keywords to tell the database what you are looking for. Picking a keyword can be tricky. Think about what information you're searching for. Can you think of one term or phrase that can describe it? Let's say I was looking for information on kittens. There are a number of terms I could use to search. Kittens, cats, felines, baby cats, pets. So I should try out a few to see which gives me the results closest to what I'm looking for. Once I've put in a search term and click search, the database starts looking for articles that mention kittens and shows the results screen. There are a few important things to note on the results screen. The first thing is that not all of the results include the entire article. Some are only abstracts that tell you what the article is about. You can click on full text in the left menu to assure that you only get results that contain the article's full text so you can read it right away. Second, you should look in the middle of the screen. These are the articles the database was able to find given your search term. As you can see, there are 353 results. Each one of these results is an article. In each of the results, there is a short summary of what the article is about. By quickly skimming these, you can easily tell if you're on the right track, or if you're getting results that are not what you're looking for. Once you find an article you were interested in, the easiest way to read it is by clicking on the PDF full text button at the bottom of the entry. This opens a copy of the article as it was originally printed. You can also choose HTML full text, though it will usually just be a text copy of the article. Remember, if you want to quote or paraphrase from the information you find when doing research, you need to give credit to the original author by properly citing their work. The database makes it really easy to cite the information that you find. All you have to do is click on the citation button in the toolbar and then select MLA format from the list. You can copy the citation and paste it directly onto your works cited page. Congratulations! Now you've learned the basics of doing a simple keyword search of the databases. Remember, when doing research, to select a keyword, choose full text, and cite your sources. If you need help, you can always ask a librarian in the BFIT library.